Do people often ask you for your Wi-Fi password and you have to type it in or say it out loud every time? There's a much easier way. On your iPhone, you can create a Wi-Fi QR code that lets anyone connect in just a few seconds without typing anything. In this video, I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily without installing any additional apps. The first thing you need to do is find and open the Shortcuts app on your phone. Once you're in the Shortcuts app, the next step is to tap on the Gallery section at the bottom of the screen. Right after that, at the top of the screen, tap on the search bar and type QR your Wi-Fi. You'll see several results appear. There, you'll find a shortcut with the same name you searched for. Tap the plus icon to add it to your Shortcuts library. Once you've done that, go back to your Shortcuts page. Tap on the shortcut to run it. The first step is to enter the name of your Wi-Fi network. After entering it, tap Done. Then, a field will appear where you need to enter the password for that Wi-Fi network. Tap Done again, and your iPhone will generate a Wi-Fi QR code. You can tap on it to enlarge it, and you can take a screenshot to save it in your gallery, or simply tap the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, at the bottom, tap the Save Image option, and it will automatically save the QR code image to your gallery. That way, whenever someone asks you for your Wi-Fi password, you can just show them the QR code. They can scan it and instantly connect to your Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.